right, so you bought yourself a new bike, a two-stroke, or you have a two-stroke and some time has gone by, some hours on the motor, and you go, hey, I wonder what condition the top end's in. Well, you can do a couple things. You can take a compression check, but that doesn't mean the engine's worn. I had a perfectly good bike, or bike that gave excellent compression PSI, and yet when I tore it down just to freshen it up, everything was worn out. Plating was worn, piston was worn, rod end had a little bit of play. Anyway, that also requires a tool. Another thing you can do, or what we're going to do in this video, is how can we look at the piston without using special tools or something that is quick and easy to do. Now you could go through the intake, remove the carb like I did here, remove the reed cage. However, you risk tearing this gasket, and the intake side isn't going to show you the most amount of wear. What we're going to want to do is go through the exhaust and just kind of take a peek in there and see what condition the piston's in, and see if we can see the cylinder itself and see. So removing the pipe is a piece of cake. There's a bolt down here and here. You got the silencer and you got two springs, and then you can remove the pipe. And then you can look right through here, and we have the spark plug removed, and you can rotate the kicker here to get the piston on the utmost position so we can actually see the piston, and then all the way down so you can kind of see inside the cylinder. All right, so what you want to do is just get your head right up in here, flashlight, and look straight up in there. And I can see some of the dome. I can see the backside. The piston's all the way down, by the way. I can see the cylinder wall, and it has cross hatching in it, and there's no chips or flakes or anything, so everything looks good from what I can see. Now I will kick it up, or move the piston up. I can see the piston, and there's no scoring or anything like that. There's no huge amount of wear, and I actually can see like the ridges, the horizontal ridges of the piston. So when you get a brand new piston and you run your finger over it, you can, it's not super smooth. It's got some ridges to it, right? Horizontal, radial rings, and I can see those. So that looks like it's in good shape. So that's just a quick way to see some things, right? Doesn't tell you everything, but at least removing the pipe is a 2-minute job, right? And then you can quickly get a peek in there and see what's going on. So that's just a quick tip for you guys. All right, well, that's going to be a short video. That was just a quick tip. Look in there, see what you see. Maybe you can make some decisions based off that.